the heck is that? Oh, I don't see pictures. What's up? So, we are literally going to the airport. I'm nervous, but sit back and relax. It's about to be an interesting video. So, I can't believe I'm doing this, but it's whatever. I'm excited. Let's get lit. Yeah. What's good? What time is it? It's probably like 2 something. Huh? What's up, y'all? So, we just got through check-in, got my ticket. I'm excited. Kind of nervous though. So, yeah, I want to see my expression when the plane takes off, but I don't think I could do it. Cause like I haven't been on a plane for a very long time. Here's mom's, but I haven't been on a plane in a very long time, so it's kind of like for me right now. But I'm gonna call a few friends, you know, try to make myself feel better, and then we gon' roll. Oh, I actually got 2 tickets actually. It's great. It's helpful. So my gate is, of course, A1. You know, cause I'm A1. I'm saucy. You hear what I'm saying? That was very creepy, but that's the update for now. But I might update y'all when I get on the plane. I don't know, but depending on how my stomach is feeling right now, because my stomach is squeezing just a little bit, but we're doing this, big things. Y'all stay tuned. Oh yeah, now we're on the plane. I'm excited, nervous. I don't know how to feel right now. I'm so nervous. I'm sitting right by the exit too, so I can jump out that exit. Yeah. But nah, y'all pray for me. Oh, again. Hey y'all. So I just, ooh, this is nice. Ooh, this is nice. I wish I could show you a view of what this is. D6. So, I'm at, I think I gotta go down. Yeah, I gotta go down. Yeah, guys, so I just landed, Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm about to hop on another plane to my final destination, which is Myrtle Beach. I'm excited. I'm gonna take down for a second. So, I know y'all wanted me to vlog my reaction to whatchamacallit. So that's what I'm about to do for you. You hear me? I'm about to do that. And then yeah.
Welcome to the Queen City and Charlotte.
I'm excited. I might go in that store and get some snacks a little bit because I
While
don't
you're
change.
here, we ask that you please follow the CDC guidance.
I'm actually excited for real. So,
Practice social distance.
alright.
Always wear
We finna get lit. Okay. Yeah. So, I'm just here getting something to eat. At the Chick-fil-A. Somebody. Getting that Chick-fil-A. I was still on the plane. I was cotton grape. I can't breathe, y'all. I literally can't breathe, ladies and gentlemen. But nah. That girl has the same outfit I have on. Or had at home. Did I see? I see my pilot. Funny, ain't it?
Did you get your order already?
No.
I did.
So, girl, that fight was good. Anyway, that fight was so good. It looks so satisfying. Touching that was so satisfying. Anyway, people looking at me like I'm vlogging, which I am. So, see you on the plane. Hey, we bought on our second plane. I want to be more. Alright, y'all. We're on our second plane. Second plane vibes. Already knowing. She love the one I took off her toes. What? Alright, y'all. Second flight, last flight.
No, that's not a choice.
You heard me? So, y'all wish us luck. Of course, you know, we gotta touch the flag. Gotta touch the flag, bro. 5 stars, Rover Airlines. Send by another exit track, man. Take a safety. Alright, y'all. Look. Oh, I have air conditioning up here. That's loud. I'm hard dollar seesaw. Oh, you seen it, you saw it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, which one?
So I'm like, I'm right there, yo. You bored?
Yeah.
You bored? You bored?
Yeah,
Hey, you bored? Alright.
My wife's not.
I said I want to get the motor. So, we're not departing for another 20 minutes because the president's here.
Don't worry, dude.
I said it. The president of the United States is here. If only you could see my face right now, and only if you could see my face expressions right now, it's not very well. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated on what's going on. And yeah, time to call everybody in my call log and let them know I'm delaying at this point.
Keep a Glockin' when I ride in the Suburban. It's codeine, had a young swerving. I got the mop, watch me wash them like detergent. And I'm ballin', that's why it's diamonds on my shirt. Slide on outside and flip the block back, yeah. My junior popped them and left them lopsided, yeah. We spin his block, got the rebound in his army. For me grind time, you can't cross me again. 1200 horsepower, I get lost in the wind. If he talking on the yard, the pin dogs will take his chin.
Hey y'all, we made it. We're at Myrtle Beach, y'all. I'm excited. Now we gotta go to baggage claim and claim my baggage. I gotta go to baggage claim. I'm excited, y'all. Hopefully that was enough montage, because I really couldn't get much. But of course I didn't vlog on the other plane because of the fact that it was just too much. So I just didn't do it. So I hope this is enough montage for y'all. And baggage claim. Okay. I'm going through the right doors. Amen. But look, I hope y'all enjoy this vlog. Well, I'm not ending it yet until I get my bags. Until I get to my proper destination. We're going to baggage claim. Oh, somebody dropped their phone. Hey, bro. Say nah. But look, oh, I almost fell, y'all. Oh my God. Somebody ready to surprise them. Guys in the military. Somebody's ready. Alright, baggage claim. Alright, y'all, a little vlog update. So, I'm at baggage claim, literally, and I just met Madison, and we're about to have some fun. I'm excited. Oh, I don't see my bag. I thought I saw my bag. Dang it. That's why I hate using these cameras. I can't turn it back. Ooh, wait. I'm trying to keep really good eye on it. It has my name and my tag on it, so. Should have put Jproj.Productions, but they wouldn't realize who bag it was. We want the baggage up the claim. Somebody give him a yes. Nah, but the flight was good, and we're gonna get some Bojangles. I was expecting that, low key, so don't quote me on that. So I'm excited. Madison's gonna be in the vlog. I'm gonna try to do daily vlogs. You know, I said try with a hard emphasis. Don't quote me on that. But for now, I'm just waiting for my bags. Praise the Lord. I need a red bag to show up in my favor right now. See ya. Okay, I'm gonna stop. But this is probably gonna be video because I'm basically updating y'all on information. So everybody's happy I landed safely. I did this trip by myself, so it was half scary. I'm gonna explain more when I get in the house, but this is an update for now. On game. Alright, y'all, I am back at the house. Oh my god, I'm about to sleep very good tonight. This best body cut about that. But thank you for tuning into this vlog. I hope you enjoyed everything you saw. Listen, if you haven't liked, please like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. You heard me? And listen, look out for more content just like this. And yeah, J.Production for life. Love y'all.
Oh boy, hey, let's make